So it's, what day is it? Wednesday. My dad's taking a cooking class today. So we're on our own, and we randomly just found out that my aunt and uncle are in Paris because they're on like a European cruise, and they're like stopping here for like 3 hours. So we're gonna try to meet up with them to have lunch. I also want to go to the like original Louis store and the YSL museum. So we're just gonna see what we can do today. Thanks, bye. Update, the train arrived, but it was going in the wrong direction. This is why we don't want my dad to abandon us on a trip.
Back to the container.
Yeah, so we've basically been making vlogs for years. Abby made a vlog tour of our Cape house a while ago, and included, there was a large noise in the background.
Apartment tour?
Yeah, I'm going to. There was a like loud noise in the background, and Abby brings the camera, her iPod Nano camera, right inside of her mouth and goes, "Don't worry, that's just the background right now."
That was pretty accurate.
That was pretty accurate, so.
That's pretty good. Yeah.
Thank you.
I'll take it.
Nominate me for an Oscar.
Like, we've never passed. Like the Petit Palace.
So that's the Grand Palais, the Grand Palace. I have a theory, and it's definitely true, that the Crystal Palace at Disney is based off of the Grand Palace in Paris. I'm gonna do a side by side and show you, because I guarantee
No way.
that's what he based it off of.
Dance
Walt
battle.
himself.
Dance battle. Do you guys think I could start a dance battle in Paris? Is that like a thing I could do?
Yeah, could we start a dance battle in Paris? Holy crap! Wow! Wow! Good.
She's a tourist at this attraction.
Wow! I
I've seen that in my textbook.
love this tourist attraction. It was like, this was my favorite part of the textbooks.
Get my feet. These friends. Oh, I don't like that you're wearing those socks.
Okay.
Or those
And there's the Eiffel Tower.
There's
three tourist attractions in one. Grand Palais. This boy.
I can't sing.
And La Tour Eiffel. I can't say it. I'm really trying.
I can take a man.
Wait, do it for me.
It's a bad beach party. You cannot get in. Oh, baby.
So that beautiful gate and garden hedge thing is Abercrombie. So I just got this drink. It's like green tea mixed with sorbet. Like vanilla milk. So I got the fraise, which means strawberry sorbet, and then obviously mixed with green tea. But it's funny because the place is Amarino, and I just went to that on Newbury Street when I was with Hayden, Allie, and Maya. So it was funny. I was like, why does this look familiar to me? And it's not somewhere we went in France. It's because I just went to Newbury Street, the Newbury Street location. So it was really good. So the plaza behind us that had the big, like almost like Washington Monument looking thing is the like Plaza de Concord, and that's where they used to have the guillotine. So that's really fun and fresh. I originally said when I went on this trip, if I don't get guillotined, I'm not coming home.
Wait.
But like, it does add up if you're me.
You're
so
not coming home either way.
Exactly.
Okay. Just wanted to make sure.
What can't you do?
Put your bicycle into the trash.
tastes like hamburger.